fossil here.
Whoa.
Never ending photo, guys. There's a bug in my mouth. What's up, guys? Welcome to Jatim Park 3. Come and join us to explore this place. Let's go. 6D Dino Theater.
Guess what? I only remember this one ride that I don't know how it looks now.
Wow.
This looks so scary, oh my goodness.
So they have a lot of restaurant here in the entrance. So if you're hungry, you can eat here. House of Zombie on the top. So they have a lot of attractions on the top as well. Here are the cart thingy if you want to do some racing. Costs about 35,000 rupiah. This is the infinite world. What is this? Triceratops? Alright, so we do have the Avengers trying to fight the Ark riding the T-Rex. We have Phantoms like Captain America on the other sides. So who do you think is gonna win? So we're here for the Dino Park. Let's go. Thank you. Alright, so I totally forgot about this place. It was 6 years ago.
I remember this.
Look at this. It's moving, by the way. The Triceratops is not moving. Oh, it's actually moving. Look at the eyes. And there's a T-Rex. We're only at the main entrance here. The fossil area is very, very interesting. Check this out. Okay, I think we're going to the right now.
Yeah.
Just a quick information for you guys. We are currently at Jatim Park. They have 3 parks. Jatim Park 1, 2, and 3. And we are currently on the Jatim Park 3, where they are more showcasing about dino stuff here. Yes? Alright, let's go. That's interesting.
It's so dark.
Do we need to wear seatbelt? No, no seatbelt here.
Zaman Permian berlangsung pada 299 hingga 250 juta tahun yang lalu.
Alright, we're gonna go out now.
Selamat datang di zona jelajah 5 Jaman. Sekitar 290
This is pretty
juta tahun yang
interesting.
lalu.
So they're bringing
Dan
out
ini mengakibatkan
outdoor and look at the
pada
dinosaurs.
zaman Triasit ini, keadaan menjadi tandus. Kini
That's
kita
Triceratops.
bisa lihat Triceratops yang
This
hidup
one's
pada
lucky.
72
He got some
hingga
water to
65
drink.
juta tahun lalu. Dinosaurus di sebelah kiri memiliki
T-Rex.
tinggi 3 meter dengan berat. Bunga mulai bermekaran sebelum dinosaurus akhirnya punah satu
There you go.
persatu.
That's it. Now we are going to the Dino Park. Dino Park? I mean, I thought we were already in Dino Park, but well, come and join us to explore this place. Alright. There are a few water rides there. Check this scary stuff. Yeah.
This is the one I'm talking
Yeah,
about.
that's the one you're talking about, yes? Now I remember. One has the gold medal. This guy just won a gold medal.
Olympics for the top.
Alright, this is super cool. You can actually go up there and take pictures. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. Look at her. She seems very happy. There's more right there. And another one there. Interesting. Alright, another new area here. This is the Alibaba rides. We have the Dome movie. Yay! Ah, nice picture here. Oh, look at his face. Alright, check this out. This is a flying egg dino, and that one too, the pirate ship. This thing's actually moving.
Lovey.
Look, it's also moving. Ah, we have koi fishes here.
Is Popo scared?
You guys ready? Oh, there's a box in my mouth.
You're scared.
You can actually play a chess with this dino here. See who's gonna win. It's actually just a photo prop. Hey, go sit down. There's a lot of interesting prop here. So there's the monster, and there's the dino. No.
Put your mouth on the black thing.
I don't think so.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Good job, Zay. We never win this kind of games, so we're gonna skip that one. Oh, look, there's more rides here.
I don't want to do that.
This is the family rides. Istana Boneka. Oh, if you want. Istana Boneka. This is more relaxed.
That's just creepy.
Everybody. I don't have backpack here, Bill. Starbucks, Dino Box. There's Hilton instead of Hilton. Oh, there's McDino instead of McDonald's. Look at this. Ooh, oh, they got the whale. Alien attack. Next, we're gonna try the Dino Action Naga cloning.
What? Do this. Wet here.
Were the dinosaurs still here 500 years ago?
I have no idea.
Honestly, I'm just excited for the drop.
We're here only for the drop, but before the drop, they are showing us the beauty of the world of Avatar, the fairy world. I can see the dragons here.
Is this actually Avatar?
Hi. There's two-headed dino. But this dino is an undead dino. Here we go!
We're not even wet.
That's it!
Easy.
Hi, Popo! So, let's rate this ride. I give it 6 out of 10, right? The intensity. I'm talking about the intensity.
The intensity is like 5.
5, yeah. It's not like crazy.
Like the inside is fun, right?
But the inside was fun. So for the entertainment, I give it like 8 out of 10.
Yeah, 8.
But the intensity is like 6, 5. It's not that scary at all.
But guess what?
And we didn't even get any water. We're not wet.
I wish I did.
Wow. That's big. Guys, if you like this video so far, don't forget to like, share, consider subscribe. Alright, we're gonna check this part here. Let's go. And this dino is made of stones.
Wait, how did they do
Bunch
this?
of stones with wires.
This is actually cool.
Yes, it is like very cool. It's actually moving. Don't bite me, okay?
Kepalanya kecil, Smallsaurus menggunakan lehernya yang dapat mencari makanan hanya dengan menggunakan giginya.
Look at this, interesting. We found a big fossil here. Look at this. We are going inside their stomach. Stomach. The caveman area.
You do not want to.
Ooh. Look. Wow.
Oh, I know this bird. It ate rocks.
Alright.
Manusia purba hidup.
So apparently the caveman is very handsome, guys.
He's from Temu.
This guy probably the Arnold Schwarzenegger. Arnold Dino. And Zion is in here. I'll take picture. 1, 2, and 3. Yo, the Flintstone looks so sus.
The what?
The Flintstone.
Flintstone.
You don't know Flintstone? Oh, you okay? Wow. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so many cool area here to take picture. Look at this, guys. Alright, you guys ready? 1, 2, 3. Yo.
Oh no.
Yo, this guy, man. Never ending photo, guys. You guys ready? Yes. 1, 2, and 3. Yo, check this out. You want to have a terrace like that with this view? Woohoo! Do you guys remember we went to the Bronx Zoo with the dino show?
The dino show.
Do you think this is better or the Bronx Zoo one?
Way so much better.
This is
one,
way
right?
much better, right? This is so big. If you are hungry, they also sell dino meat here. What is this anyway? Do you guys know what that is? This is called Castoroides.
Cash. Punch it.
You okay, bro? One. I just hope that we don't see any snake, a real snake here.
Now we're going to the ice age. Let's go, Pete.
Whoa! It moved. So hot. Penguin.
Gigantopithecus.
Okay.
Gigantopithecus.
We're in Asia now. Wow, this is so nice. Oh, dikejar. Zion, run! Wow. I think they did a very good job with photo prop thing in here.
Of course, it's called the Aiji.
2, 3, smile.
Funny was.
Guys, look at this. The Buddha and the sleeping Buddha and the dino. Alright guys, this concludes our video at the Jatim Park 3. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and consider to subscribe. And I see you guys in the next video.
Consider subscribing. Bye.
Siente la presión